Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can place a video inside of a text. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have created a project in Adobe Premiere and I have here a sequence with a video that we are going to be using on this tutorial. So now what I have to do is to create a text layer, and to do that, there's multiple ways. One of them is just to go to this toolbar right here and press on the type tool and go to the preview panel right here and just click on it. And now we have here, as you guys can see, we have a text layer. Or we can just delete that and use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control T. And now we have a text layer created. So what we are going to do is we're going to click on the text right here and change it to whatever you like. For example, I'm just going to call it Mo, which is my name. And I want to adjust that, so I can go right here to this panel, Essential Graphic, and just I have all these adjustments that I can do on my text layer. So you guys can choose whatever font you'd like, and I suggest to use a thick, bold kind of font so you can see the video inside the text. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it as big as possible, and I'm just gonna, here you can see the alignment adjustment, so you can just put it in the middle. So now that I have everything ready, both layers, all I have to do is to add an effect on the video so it can be placed inside the video, and that effect called track matte key. So I'm gonna go right here to the effect panel and I'm gonna search track, and I have it right here. So I'm gonna drag the effect and put it on the video layer. And now I will go to the effect controls panel right here. And as you can see, guys, we have the effect added to the video. So all you have to do is very simple, to go to the matte and choose the layer that the text is on. So the text layer is on video 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose video 2. And now, as you guys can see, it's already done. So let's play it. So it looks nice. You can guys add whatever background you'd like. All you have to do is just to make sure that you are on the right track of the mate key effect. So that is pretty much how you can place a video inside of a text.
I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.